Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to add application functions to our assistant function button in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. First, where to find this button and how to turn it on. Settings, then we are looking for accessibility options, and under interaction and dexterity we have assistant menu. We can turn it on, allow, and here is our button. There are a few default functions here, but if we want to use this button with application, we have to add them. For example, if we open a camera, this button did not change. The functions are as they were. There are no camera functions, for example, in this button. To add this, we have to select camera here. And now, when we open a camera, our context button here, as you can see, has a little more functions. For example, switch camera, go to gallery. These functions will appear automatically when we open our camera. For example, contacts, internet, messages, phone, etc. These functions will appear automatically here when we open these applications. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.